Hello, welcome to Brooke's Buzz. Tonight, welcome to my garage. We're going to be putting together one deep frame brood box. I just bought this last week. I'm going to try to get it painted tomorrow and do a split on one of my hives this weekend. So I need to have one of these ready. Before my husband put these together for me, so tonight I'm going to be doing it by myself. So I have my brood box pieces, 4 pieces. I have a square right here to make sure that my corners are all good to go. I have a mallet, I have a hammer, some wood glue, and some little finishing nails to pop in there to secure the box. So here we go. All done. Took me about less than 12 minutes. So probably less than that. So here we are. Now, don't be worried about like some gaps that you might have in here because the bees are going to fill that up with propolis anyways. And you know, it's as square as it's going to be. It's a bee box. It's going to be out in the, cold, wet, warm, all of that. So just make sure it's square because I think that that's like the biggest key is making sure that it's square on top of your bottom board to your hive to make sure everything's nice and even. So tomorrow I'm going to go get some paint for this and I'm going to get it painted up and take it to my apiary and split up my beehive this weekend. So tomorrow, paint. See you then.